completely destroyed the quarter panel, a new quarter panel, a new trunk floor section, a new taillight pocket. I have a Nissan Altima up here on the frame rack. This one got blasted in this right rear corner. It completely destroyed the quarter panel. This is all pushed in, and it also folded up this corner section of the trunk floor. So this one's going to get a new trunk floor section, a new quarter panel, which I have sitting right here, and a new taillight pocket. And then I'm going to repair the rear body panel. I'm gonna go ahead and pull all this damage out roughly, get it where it's supposed to be, and then I'll go ahead and start cutting this one apart. I went ahead and I drilled a hole in the old panel right here, and I'm gonna use this to roughly pull this top section out with. So I have this quarter panel sitting on here, and I have both of my seams slightly overlapping the existing part on the car. I'm gonna go ahead and scribe this, then I'll lift the panel back off and I'll trim this out the rest of the way, and then it'll give me a perfect cut at both of the seams. So I just about have my quarter panel ready to fit up. I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna weld this floor extension in, get that wrapped up, then I will start fitting my quarter panel and my taillight pocket, and then I'll have to fit all my parts on. So I just about have this one all fit together, and my trunk lid lines up nice and even. The taillight fits very nice, and the rear door lines up just like it's supposed to. The gap's a little wider at the top and it gets tighter towards the bottom, but the other side does the exact same thing. So I'm making it match side to side. This one is ready to go ahead and start welding on. So I'm gonna go ahead and pull my parts back off, and I'll go ahead and start welding this one together. So I just about have this one wrapped up. It's ready for a little bit of fill work right here and right here. I'm going to send this one over to Eric to do the fill work and get it primed up, and I'm going to dive into my next one.